Hey, what's up, folks? Alex Rodriguez here, Bay Cities Construction. Hey, the last time we were here at Dana Point, we were just putting up the drywall. So the guys are in there right now putting mud up on the wall, and we're putting this job back together. I want to show you a little quick progress video on this project here in beautiful Dana Point. It's a beautiful day out here, and I'd love to share our progress with you today. Check it out. So let's go in and we'll walk you through all the rooms and give you a little update on what we got done so far. Come on. Huge master bathroom. If you're thinking about doing a master bathroom remodel with a tub and shower separated, this is a beautiful setup right here. This area right here is the shower. There'll be a double vanity here. And they're gonna have a closet, and they wanted a little bit of privacy for the potty, so it's got a little cubby right there. And there's gonna be a standalone bathtub in this section right here. Let's go to the other room. The cool thing about this house, it's 2 bedrooms, but each bedroom has access to its own bathroom. So we were in the master suite. This is the guest bedroom, and there's a powder room here. Walk in through here. Much powder room, so if you're entertaining guests, they come in through the kitchen or they come in through the bedroom. We're standing in the kitchen now. It's gonna be the dining room area. We just got the TV set up. You can see we did a little cubby for the TV. It's kind of cool. And garage and stuff. So let's go to the front of the house and I'll show you what the study looks like. This is the front room. This actually used to be a bedroom, but they use it as a home office. So we had to make the master larger, and that's why this wall's new. We basically absorbed the closet of this room into the master suite and really doubled the size of that. This part of the house is the first addition to the house, and it's got vaulted ceilings. So I think after we're all set up here, it's gonna be a nice room, good light, all that good stuff. So hey, I hope you enjoyed our update here of our Dana Point job. And please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And if you have any comments on our project, that'd be cool too. Remember, we have our construction show every week, so check in for that. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. You don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros. Later.